Hi guys, this is Decolation, and today we're going to be working on disassembling the rear end for my Factory 5 hot rod truck that's coming. So we're gonna get this going and put you guys on a time lapse. I did some of it already, so you're gonna see that footage now, and then we're gonna pick back up with me finishing up tonight. So, peace. Hey guys, so you saw me I just finished disassembling the entire rear end and cleaning it up. Now I just primed it, just as the top half. I still have to do the bottom half, but this is like a rust, like a super rust preventative primer. So it's gonna get primed. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint it black, and I left the rear cover on, the stock rear cover on, because I have a new replacement one coming, so I don't care if this gets paint on it or anything like that. And I figured instead of trying to take off the new one, I'll just replace it when I'm done painting everything. Alright, cool. I'll come back to you guys when I finish painting it. First coat of black is on. Well, man, this thing cleaned up nicely. Alright, so I'll catch you guys back after I flip it over, and I'm just gonna do the bottom side after this paint fully cures. So I'll catch you guys in a few days. Alright. Hey guys, this is Decolation, and I'm back again. So this is a continuation of a video I'm already currently editing, and it's kind of show you guys where I'm at and what my decision is now. So this is my rear end. I cleaned it up, painted it and everything, but if you see the enamel paint that I have, it's very soft, can scratch it easily. I'm just not very happy with the paint job and stuff, so I tried to do it without getting it fully stripped, because the way this is shaped and everything is really hard to get in all these little crevices. I can get the big parts, and I was able to get these pretty stripped well, but like under here and everything, just really couldn't get to it. So I decided that it's time to buy a sandblaster. So I'm gonna redo everything, go through and sandblast it. And then I have a paint called Steel It. Now this is like a stainless steel polyurethane aerosol, and what it does is it actually treats it like stainless steel. It turns it, it has stainless steel flakes in it, so when you get a nice even coat, it actually has like an outer stainless steel cover, which makes it really protected. And I got the flat black, and you can weld on top of this. So this is some pretty cool stuff. I saw it in somewhere, and I decided I need to pick it up because this will go perfect for the project. So right now, I'm gonna put you on a time lapse, and I'm gonna go through and sandblast this whole thing. Hey guys, so I'm starting filming the sandblasting of the rear end, but this is going to take a lot longer than expected, and I may have to push it out for a little bit based on things that I have planned coming on right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video right now, and the next video you see the rear end is going to be the full footage of me sandblasting it and getting it recoated and ready to go for the hot rod truck. So if you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe below.